Hey everyone, need some extra airtime or data but running low on balance? No worries. Today I will show you how to borrow money from Airtel in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Open your phone's dialer and type star 500 hash. Then press call. A menu will appear. Choose the option for Airtel credit loan or borrow airtime or data. Select the amount of airtime or data you want to borrow. The amount available depends on your uses and eligibility. After selecting the amount, confirm the loan request by following the on-screen instructions. Boom. Your borrowed airtime or data will be credited instantly, and Airtel will deduct it from your next recharge. And that's it. Now you know how to borrow money from Airtel whenever you need it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.